start of my adventure in my 25th country, which is the UAE, and I'm in the beautiful city of Dubai, which is unlike anything else I've traveled to before. So modern, it's so clean. So this is new for me. I'm very excited, but I also have a lot of questions. First of all, is this a place which is good to travel alone? Also, is everything as expensive as they say? And is there as many fast cars as they say? There they come. I've seen a few Lamborghinis, some Ferraris, a few more Corvettes, and yeah, it's nothing special here, I guess. Anyway, this is my view from my hotel. A hostel here is not very expensive. I paid like 12 to 15, 17 per night, which is not too bad, right? For a city like this. Here you have a ton of different shops and restaurants and drinking places, and they have everything from shakes, ice cream to, I don't know, phone gadgets and excursions here, and anything you can imagine you can find along the beach here. So I just ordered me some juice and a quick snack here on right on the beach, and I gotta say it's surprisingly affordable for Dubai, but you could make it very expensive, and that is the thing. Most of the time when people have the choice to do something expensive, they will. And I gotta say, I feel kind of out of place here, being on a budget. But yeah, so far it's worth it. Objectives this trip is to see how affordable Dubai actually is, because not everyone has Dubai money. Now, I just got my my juice, fresh, well I hope fresh, watermelon juice for 20 dirhams. It's a reasonable price, I would say. So let's see if it tastes good as well. Yep, it's good juice. Approved. Okay, my buffalo wings just arrived. Well, not buffalo wings, honey barbecue. Looks delicious. Looks good. I should slowly make my way back to my hostel place. Should be picked up in about 45 minutes. So I am ready to go into the dunes, into the desert. They should be picking me up any day. Just wondering if they're coming in a jeep or with a transportation van or something. I don't know. But which was 150 dirhams. Seems like quite a lot, but I just had to do it. And what with this thing, keep the sand out of my mouth. It's actually sick. It's like a big kids playground. There's like 100 of these running around here. Well, that was fun. That was a wild 30 minutes, but good exercise for my arms. Now I need to find my guide again. And all these people, because there's a bunch of people, a whole lot of them. But at least I didn't get hair in my sand in my hair. Should be heading into the desert with the Jeep as well. I'm not sure one thing I know for sure, I am hungry and I want that barbecue. So that's up next, I hope.
Your camera or what?
Oh, man.
That's fun.
Yes. Max, put your leg there. Huh? Don't move your legs, okay, from the board. Yeah, man, good job.
Well, that's better. Now, I need to get back up. I'm exhausted already. That was dune bashing and sandboarding, and the guy told me it's at your own risk to do it standing. Well, turned out he was right. Next, we're going to the camp for probably some camel riding and a barbecue and some belly dancing, I think, and all that kind of stuff. So, exciting. So this is the desert camp day activity, and I skipped out most of the filming in the camp because it's just something you should see with your own eyes. They do some traditional dance. They have the traditional dance, the belly dancing, the fire dance, the food. The food was amazing, by the way. I could have done a camel ride, but the camel ride I have already done once, and I'm not a big fan of camels. So now I'm back and I need a good night of rest, and tomorrow morning I have something very special in my planning. Tomorrow morning, gonna be fun. Something I've been looking onto for a long time, and now I'm gonna have a good night and see you tomorrow.